Hello everyone, this is Helen. Today the name of the dish is spicy hot chicken, which is slightly spicy but very delicious. In the city where I live, it comes in the form of hot pot with sauce soup. It can be heated with a variety of vegetables and other food. It's very popular and has become the representative food of this city. Today, I improved it. I used the home version ingredients, boiled the soup, and put it on a plate. The form of eating is different, but the taste is also good. First, prepare 3 washed chicken drumsticks. Chop them into large pieces. And put them in a pot for later use. In the second step, prepare the ingredients. Cut the garlic and ginger. Cut off the garlic stalks. And then divide it into 2. Ginger is also cut into pieces of this size. Take a new plate and prepare the fried spices. If you like spicy food, you can put some dried chilies, but I don't particularly like spicy food, so I didn't put it. You can add more peppers, because the characteristic of this dish is spicy and hot. The next one is the key seasoning of this dish, 郫县 bean sauce. It has a very strong sauce flavor. According to the amount of chicken legs, we scoop out 2 spoons. It has a slightly spicy taste. It's acceptable to people who don't like spicy food, and children can also eat. All the preparations have been completed. We started to fry the chicken. This frying process only needs to put the ingredients we just prepared into the pot in order, add water, cook, and finally dry the water. After the oil is hot, fry the ginger and the garlic. Add 2 tablespoons of white sugar and fry the caramel color. Because the dark brown caramel color is used for coloring to make your dishes look more beautiful, be sure to use a small fire. Be patient and slowly boil. Like this color is almost the same. At this time, add the 郫县 bean paste. Stir fry the red oil. Then add the chicken, fry for 1 minute. Add the prepared 4 spices and fry for another minute. %90 is now completed, and the rest is water, boiled. Add 1,200 ml of water. After the water is boiled, cook on medium-high heat for 10 minutes. Then adjust to medium-low heat for another 10 minutes. This dish doesn't need to put salt because the salt in 郫县 bean paste is enough. This dish originated in Sichuan, and it has been very hot in streets and alleys in Cangzhou for more than 20 years. For locals, this is a taste of familiarity and happiness. The soup is dried up, and the spices are thrown away. Chicken can be served on the plate. I don't know if you like it or not. If you are interested, I hope you can make it for yourself and your family once. It must be different. Thank you for watching my video, and welcome everyone to subscribe my channel and leave message under my video. I will continue to update the food video. See you next time. Bye.